It's mark from target time. Got some more targets for you today. These are from reactivtargets.com. They have a center fire and a rim fire mix. Center fires range from ½ pound to 4 pound, and then 22 sensitive. All right, we're going to mix up some of the 1 pound targets. All right, we got the Thunder 2K 1 pounders. Open them up and get the catalyst mix out. Mix them right into the container. Give these a good mix and get them set up. Alright, we got the Thunder 2K all mixed up. I want to show you you want to have it a good solid coating of gray. There shouldn't be any more white beads. Alright, those are the Thunder 2K 1 pound. As you've seen, those things had a lot more punch than the normal 1 pound exploding targets.